But when ideally should a buyer, from your experience of what went well and didn't, bring us cyber or the cyber support into a deal life cycle to get the most value, and why?
Yeah, good question. I'll start with a slightly different question is, when do we typically get brought in? And that's too late, right? The earlier the better. As Todd's mentioned, and you brought up the home inspection, right? You want to know all of these red flags. You want to know these things up front so you can then integrate that red flag or that challenge into others' streams challenge as well, right? Finance may have their own things, HR have their own things, but if we can kind of look under the covers and kind of all come together on, we're all going to have to be regulatory or compliant to this regulatory requirement, then you can almost piece cyber into that as well. So to answer your question, it's all about how early can you get cyber involved, and a lot of times it rides on IT being involved, which is looking more at like the network side of things. The connectivity of things, the technical structure of the organization, where cyber, you want to again identify those risks as early as possible, so you can start to plan for those and start to remediate those if you can.